This is the final video for the project that we have in the Century 17 center console with a soft floor. I hope you like it and enjoy this video. Hello, this is Carlos with CP Marine and the Small Boat Repair Channel. Since the boat paint came out so good, we decided to give it a paint to the engine as well. The customer gave me a new cowling because the one that he had some cracks and it was leaking, so we did a paint job on it too. I used a kind of spray paint, perfect match for Yamaha outboard engines. The engine paint was not in bad condition, so one can did the job right. So I was behind a schedule because I have more projects coming and I have to ask the guy to help me out. The customer wanted the boat ready for the water, so I had to put the safety equipment, and also he gave me a new radio to install it. We installed this sea deck that we got from Amazon in a very good price. I like this flooring a lot because it's very convenient, it's not expensive, and I give it a really good look. We installed 3 new hatches because everything looks so nice in the boat that I didn't want to leave something old in there. The customer took the boat and he was super happy, so I asked him to send me videos next time he go to the water, and he did. This is what I got.
No, you have to go. The next bridge over will make it. No, I think 2 more bridges. First you got Prime Catch.
We appreciate it, Captain. I hope you have fun with your family that day. Thank you so much for sending it to us. So this is the final video of this project. I hope you enjoyed and liked it as much as I did. I got more projects coming soon, so stay watching And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you have any questions, please comment in the section down below. I see you guys in the water. Goodbye.